Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're excited about building a website but want a faster, smarter way to do it, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to harness the power of AI within Squarespace. Not just to set up your site, but to generate content in a way that's efficient and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get started and make the most of these new tools. Whether you're launching a portfolio, a blog, or a small business page, let's dive right in. After logging into your Squarespace dashboard, look out for the Create Website button. This is your springboard. It's where every new project takes shape. When you click it, you'll be prompted with a couple of questions. What's your site about? And what do you want to do with your website? Take a moment to think about your answers here. If you're creating a photography portfolio, say that. If you're launching a bakery site, mention your business and what you want customers to do. This step might seem basic, but these details actually help Squarespace tailor the setup to your needs, setting the foundation for a site that suits your goals. Now, here's where things get interesting. Choose the AI Website Builder option. This is more than just a template selector. It's Squarespace's way of bringing artificial intelligence right into your workflow. Picking this option means you're letting Squarespace help design and assemble your website's initial structure. AI takes what you told it in the last step and suggests a site theme that matches your style and purpose. So if you're unsure what design fits best, AI can give you a head start rather than staring at a blank canvas. Once you've selected your theme, you'll be able to add pages to your website. You might want a home page, an about page, or maybe a dedicated blog section. Think of this like laying out the blueprints for your online space. Each page is a different room with its own function. Don't stress about getting it perfect right now. You can always rearrange or add more pages later as your site develops. When you're ready to add content, head to one of your pages and choose Add Block. For this tutorial, let's focus on the text block. This is your main tool for adding written content anywhere on your site, like an introduction, a welcome note, or a full blog post. But here's the cool part. Squarespace's AI can actually help you generate text in these blocks. So whether you're stuck on how to write your About section or need a draft of your first blog post, just ask the AI to generate it for you. You can specify the tone, the length, or even the subject, and it will come up with content that fits your needs. Think of it as having a friendly copywriter by your side who never gets tired and is always available. Take some time experimenting here. Maybe you want a casual welcome message or you need product descriptions. Type your requirements straight into the AI prompt and see what it produces. Don't worry if the first draft isn't perfect. You can always tweak the output or ask the AI to try again, just like you would edit your own writing. This not only saves time, but it also helps if you're struggling with writer's block. And really, there's so much you can do with AI in Squarespace, from auto-generating entire layouts to coming up with engaging blog content or creative headlines. As you build, take a moment to browse the different AI-assisted options. You might discover features you hadn't considered, or find inspiration just when you need it. So that's the process. Using AI in Squarespace turns what could be hours of work into just minutes, and makes web design feel accessible and even fun. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit like so others can find it too. If you have any questions or you want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I always love seeing what you're building. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials on getting the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching and good luck building your site.